What's up, guys? See if you guys want to see a little bit of the inside of the car. Some's original, some's not. The door panels, all original. Got the Bride Lomax. They're super low. Don't look at that. Original floor mats, 300ZX. Got the OMP Alcantara steering wheel. Pops off. Original inside. That autograph's by a guy that used to race for Nissan. My buddy that I bought the car from got signed. MXPI. That's my dog, Barry. Not too much going on back here. Got the T-tops. Gotta have the T-tops. So that's the inside. I'll show you the guys, the engine in a little bit.